with you. If I don't finish a problem, you finish it and check to see how you did by going to the portal, class contents, and opening up final exam review with answers. All right, number 1. The question is, explain how to find a unit rate. So the first thing you're going to do is make a ratio with the two numbers you're given. The second thing you're going to do is divide the top number by the bottom number. And we'll work through the example on how to determine the best price for Boulder Cola using these two directions. Make a ratio with the two numbers, divide the top number by the bottom number. So what do we mean by number 1? Well, as we're looking at the Boulder Cola problem, you're given two numbers, an amount of cola and a price for each one of these. And it's hard to tell which one's the cheapest just by looking because you're getting different amounts for different prices. So we want to find out how much it costs for 1 ounce because then we're comparing them all on the same level. So we're going to make a ratio that finds the best price for 1 ounce, the price divided by the amount. So write that ratio down, price divided by amount. Then for the first one, 12 ounces at $1.19, we're going to put the price, $1.19, divided by 12. Price on top, the amount on the bottom, just like in our ratio. Then we're going to take our calculator, and we're going to do the price, $1.19, divided by the amount of cola we're getting. And we see a number with a lot of decimal places. We don't want to write the whole thing down. There isn't enough room. But if we write about 4 digits down, that should be enough so that when we do the other 3 to compare it to, we'll be able to tell which one's cheapest. So let's write down 0.099, and then let's bump up the 1 to a 2 because there's a 6 following it, and rounding rules tell us we should round the 1 up to a 2. So that is how much it costs for 1 ounce of cola with this deal. It's a little, almost 10 cents per 1 ounce. Let's do the same thing for the second example. 16 ounces for $1.59. Now remember, put the price on top and the amount on the bottom because we're finding the best price per ounce. So $1.59 divided by 16. Then we'll grab our calculator and do $1.59 divided by 16. And this one looks very similar in cost. I'm getting 0.099375. Let's cut it off in the same decimal place we cut the last one off right here. We'd better bump that 3 up to a 4 because of the 7 following. So when we write it down, let's write 0.0994. Now we've done 2 of the sale prices so far, and of the 2, it looks like this one is cheaper. There's a 2 here instead of a 4. But we might find one of these 2 even cheaper. So keep going, write your ratios, price divided by ounce, price divided by ounce, do the division, top divided by bottom, and then circle the deal that has the lowest price, the lowest number for 1 ounce of cola. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Jan reads 52 pages in 80 minutes. Find the unit rate in pages per minute. This means I want pages on top of my unit ratio and minutes on the bottom. So when I write down your ratio, pages over minutes, put the pages on top, 52 pages, the minutes on the bottom, divide the top by the bottom, and you should get exactly 65/100. Now, when you do this, be sure to write units on your answer. So we were asked for pages per minute, so she reads about 65/100 pages per minute, and just a little over half a page per minute. All right, tune in to the next video for the next couple of problems.